What's up, everybody? Got another video here for you. So let's suppose you have to do a quick calculation on the average of some numbers in Google Sheets. So this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to using the average function. Okay, and I'm going to show some different things you can do with it. So I've got two classes here, two separate classes, and these are the grades they made on the test. These are just randomly generated numbers, so these aren't their actual grades. All right, so the average function, you want to hit the equal sign. You can see here, you hit the equal sign, type in average, parentheses, then you want to select number 1, number 2, and so on. All right, and then you hit the enter key and it will average them. So let's just average this class. So we're going to hit equals and we will type in average, parenthesis, and then we are going to click on this cell and we're going to drag down. And then we are going to close the parenthesis and hit enter. And that's the class average. And you know, you probably, you may want the decimals to be maybe rounded to 1 or 2, but you can just come over here and click this and it'll round it to 1 decimal place. Okay, or up here you can decrease decimal places, increase decimal places. You see that? You just click on this up here, but you know, typically just maybe 1 decimal place would be good enough, I would think. And then let's do the class average here, equals average. And then I'll show you another little trick where you can get it even faster than this. All right, so we did the same thing there, and we can, and we can decrease the decimal place. And there you have it. So class 2 did better than class 1. Neither one of them really did that good, did they? And the one thing I want you to notice here in the formula, you've got average and you've got B5 and then a colon B23. See, what it does is the colon separates the B5 and the B23, and what it's going to do is it's going to average all the cells from B5 to B23. All right, so what if I want to get the class average for both classes together? All right, so I can hit equals, type in average, parenthesis, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first class, and then I'm going to hold down the control key on Windows, command key on Mac, and I'm going to select this one while holding the control or command key down. And you can see it picked both of them. You see that? And so it's doing B5 to B23 and E5 to E23. Close the parentheses, hit enter, and you can see the class average between the two is a 60.2. And we're going to decrease this. We'll just make it 1 decimal. So that's both of them. Okay. Now let's suppose I want to get the class average of just like 3 or 4 students. Okay. Say I want to do equals average, and I'm going to do the parenthesis. So let's say I want the class average for student 1 in this class. Okay, and maybe student 5. So I'm going to hold the control or command key down and click on student 5, and then maybe student 15, and then let's get another good one. How about student 14? Okay, And I want the class average of just those 4 students. So notice how when you do this here, it separates them each with a comma. You can type in the cells, or you can go down and click on them like I did. It's up to you. And there you have it. There's the class average right there. So basically what the average function does is it adds up all of these grades, and then it divides that sum by the total number of students. Okay, now let me show you another quick way you can see the average. If you're just curious about what it is real quick, you highlight the cells. Okay, just highlight the cells, and then come over here to the right hand bottom right of the screen. See where it says sum here? Click that arrow there, and you see average. There it is. I mean, you can click on it and it'll display it, and then you can come over here. You can select these, and there you see it's average. It'll show the last one you have picked. Okay, it just shows it automatically. But if you need the number in your spreadsheet, obviously you're just gonna use the formula. But if you just need a quick glance, say like you're heading to class real quick and you want to take a look, just highlight them and look over there real quick, and then remember it when you get to class so you can tell them. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.